Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Rahman and today we are going to talk about FAG token and some updates related to this token. As you know, this is one of the biggest meme coin now with 500,000 holders on BSC scan and 69,000 holders on Ethereum blockchain. So this is one of the finest meme coin I know, and I'm so excited about it. Like what FAQ hold and what they can do, because we already saw what they are capable of and what they did in past when the good days were there. I mean, the market was not down and everything was pumping. And right now is also important part, like what they are doing and what they're planning to do. And can we see a pump in upcoming months? Like a lot of people are saying that in July FAQ will explode. So and if we are going to be realistic, no one knows anything about it. We can predict, yes, with a lot of things, like yes, if this happens, Fed can do a lot of good things. And we see good signs with Bitcoin at the moment, even though it is still struggling. But still, if Bitcoin managed to go up, obviously every altcoin will go up, and that's where everyone is looking at. So we are going to see it when this happens. But right now you can see FAG price is down -7%, and that's nothing because every altcoin is down at the moment. And you can see the graph here. It is going up lightly, it was down, then again up and down. These things are normal, these things are going on. Right now the main focus is long term, what it can do in a long term run. Do they got some plans or some other stuff? As I told you about the number of holders, so they should have a plan. Obviously 500,000 holders is not a joke. So if you take a look at the Twitter, you can see here the pin post is "Get ready FAG army, the revolution is about to begin," and that's really amazing. I mean, I just love seeing it. FAG X day, the revolution is about to begin on June 30th. And that's what I was talking about. This is so exciting to see, like they are gonna do something on June 30th. And that's another thing, if something happens with it or not, but at least they are trying. The community is pushing it and a lot of people are interacting with it. People are excited about it. You can see here they are updating their holders, their army about FAGX and everything, FAG 2.0 also. So there are some good things coming, and that's why we can expect that there can be some great stuff in July and FAG can explode in July. But it also depends a lot on Bitcoin and the current market, which is not that good at the moment, and FAG is not doing that good also at the moment right now. But if you are in loss, don't sell your FAG token, because this is not a pump or dump coin. As I told you guys, this is a good project. Like I was making videos on FAG, on Kishu, and on some other projects again and again. It's because they are some good projects. And I know there are a lot of hype coins which are dead, and but that's normal in crypto things. So but I can expect a lot of things from FAG at the moment. I got eyes on it and I'm checking it every single day, what they're doing and what they're planning to do. You can see the roadmap here. They completed each and everything before this part, and right now the June one, you can see here there are some good things coming for FAG and some other plans. So we can expect the parabolic move in July, but it again mentioning it also depends on the market and the positions. But still there is a chance, there is a little prediction, and not only me, a lot of people are saying that. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys about FAG current situation and what can happen. So that's it for today. And if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe it for more, because I update you guys about meme coins, about pump and dump coins, and also some good coins, and even including FAG, Kishu, Shiba, and other coins. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.